So I teach you to do this. So the next cube will be the pyramids, and I first scramble it for you. And now it's scrambled very much. The first step is to identify your color site. And now, for example, if I choose yellow, I should find the tip which does not have blue. This is the tip, so if you put it on upside down shape, you'll see that the color you have chosen is on that place. So the first step is to solve the edges. For that you have to just move these pieces one by one like this. To solve it, which is quite easy. The next step is to solve the tips. These are the 3 tips, so you can easily bring them here. And now the next step is to and now the next step is to solve these three last pieces of blue. So first, for this one, you need to do the hide and seek method. The hide and seek method for this one. The hide and seek method. So in this method, you have to first hide a piece, and then you can bring the piece on the opposite side and then put the piece back to solve it. And hide the piece next. And now we have to pair up these 2 pieces more. And now we should solve these centered pieces. Solve these centered pieces. You have to do the algorithm to solve this. These things, these scrambled ones. Here only one is scrambled. So which is on the left side. So first you need to do is left down, then right down, then left up, then right up. Now it's blue scramble, so do the hide and seek method now. Now it's right side, so right down, right up, left up. After doing this, you have to do the hide and seek method again to solve the blue side. It's scrambled. Now that's solved. Now the cube is solved. So that I showed you. Thank you for watching the video.